Tribuners, welcome back to Cakap Sana, Cakap Sini. So today we are from Bispro and we are gonna talk about the freshman check. Here I am Tasha Salsabilas, your host today, and there's three people that joining us.
Hello everyone, I am Olivia.
Hello everyone, my name is Naftali.
Hello everyone, I'm Shavanda.
Okay, so that is our awesome friends. Now let's talk about the freshman reality check. You know, some people in the high school think that college will be so much fun and so free, but that is not the reality, you know.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the biggest one, the expectation versus reality. What do you think about that, Titan, when you're still in high school and going to college?
Okay, I used to expect that in college, people around me is very individualistic because some people told me based on their own experience, like people in college is really individualistic from many aspects, like they think like they self would win.
Okay. Yes.
Like guys, like that. And in my expectation, in my own expectation, like that, so I get a little scared. But when I'm join the college life, it's really different. In my class, in our major, people around me are very helpful and supporting each other in like something in a big assignment. There are should be in the group and we can choose randomly or we can choose with who we gonna do the teamwork.
Yeah.
Like in the class, we in the same group, and Shafa and Naftali sometimes in the same group or with the other friends. And the statement, if college life is very individualistic, it's depend on the friendship. Yeah. In me, in Bispro, we really friendly guys. We really helping each other.
Yeah. I think that experience, people had that experience, like they are scared that they won't have a friend in the college and they are scared that what should they do first. But I think it depends on your environment, especially in Bispro. In our first semester, we get click very fast. Like we always, like grouping in a lake and then playing something in a lake. You know, you experience that, right?
Like
I
playing
remember
Uno.
Yeah.
Share a story about how the day in college.
Yeah. So I think for everyone that very scared that campus life will be so lonely, it depends on your environment. If your environment, if your major is very open, if your friend is very open, you will get click with them very fast, like that. How is your imagination? How is your expectation for the college, Naftali?
So my expectation is I came into college thinking that I would be a super organized person, like the kind of person that color coded every schedule and finishes the every task early before the deadline. But yeah, that version of me that didn't last very long. Yeah.
Yeah, we are
The-
understand about that.
The amount of assignment that the lecturer gave me, it hits me like a truck. And one moment I felt fully prepared for the assignment. The next moment I was drowning in deadlines. But honestly, that whole experience taught me that you don't grow by having everything perfectly under control, and somehow in the middle of the chaos, I found my own rhythm. Maybe that's all.
Okay, we understand that. Like the deadlines in campus sometimes is doesn't make sense.
Yeah, really,
Yeah.
guys.
It's not making any sense.
Yeah,
You should
sometimes
catch up.
it doesn't make sense, but we try to ground in that moment. We try to build ourselves to be ready for every conditions,
Yeah.
and I think that's why college is
Needed.
stand. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's needed because we should be prepared for that kind of situation, like that. How's about your expectation, Shavanda?
I honestly so scared to go to college because in my mind college sounds super complicated
Yeah.
and I keep hearing scary story from other people who already in college,
Yeah.
and there are so many campus terms that I didn't know and that sounds so unfamiliar for me, like KRS
Yeah.
or MKU and something like that lah.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of scary stories that you heard?
Maybe just like Titan, like individualistic people,
Yeah.
and maybe how to make a friend in college.
Yeah.
I understand with individualistic characteristic. We sometimes meet people that really doesn't open to us and
Yeah.
very,
Hard to reach
yeah,
out.
hard to reach out and very, hard to be in a teamwork, and that is very hard. But not every person in campus had that characteristic.
Yeah.
We met a lot of new characteristic in campus, like they are so unique, they are
Yeah.
so fun, like that. Okay, what culture shock that you had in the first semester? Tiffany?
Okay, my culture shock is you need to spend more time, guys, for get ready, especially even though you near from the campus or far away. You should to think like what your makeup,
wear.
yeah, your makeup goes like, what your clothes looks like. It's like controlling our mood too.
Yes, because some campus doesn't have uniform, so
Uniform, yep.
we always like think, oh, what should I wear tomorrow? What should I wear today? And
Which color
how's
is good?
I
Yeah.
gonna look like that? Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes in the, what is it called?
What?
In the some class we have some clothes have a dress code,
Yeah.
like the color or the type of the clothes. It's make me very confused.
Oh, okay, I understand. Some class have some dress code that
Ah.
kind of burden the students.
Yeah.
But yeah, dress code is still a dress code, so we should really enjoy with it.
Yeah, and for my personal experience, because my home is far away from the campus, you need to estimate how long you drive your motorcycle or your car. You estimate sometimes it can be changed by
Traffic jam.
yeah the traffic jams, the incident, all of the suddenly,
Yeah.
and the weather like raining right
Yes.
now. It's really ruin my mood.
Okay, I understand. It's
Yeah.
really ruin our mood if
Yeah.
it's suddenly rain and we doesn't prepare for it. And
Yeah.
then, guys, the traffic jam, it's really matter for us. Even though if you live near by the campus, you still have to be prepared. I think 15 minutes before the class because that is really,
Crowded.
yeah, the campus environment is very crowded.
Crowded.
Even though we live near the campus, the traffic jam is no joke, guys.
Under control.
Yes, it's under control. What do you think about culture shock, Natalie?
Yeah, my most memorable moment was definitely about our group assignments in the second semester. So
What kind of?
It's a leadership class,
Oh.
and we thought it would be easy by we thinking it's just what a practice things, but everything keep going the wrong ways, and everyone had different ideas, and we misunderstood each other a lot, and we ended up making so many last minute fixes. Yeah, it was really stressful at the time, but looking back at it, it was actually kind of funny, and it taught me that teamwork is
Yeah.
really about getting through chaos together.
Yeah, when you think right now, it's kind of funny, but when you throw it, it's really, oh my god,
Yeah,
it's really chaotic.
stressful.
And here's the thing about campus, there will be so many ideas from a lot of people
Yeah.
because we
Came
almost do every task with a group assignment,
Yeah.
and there is a lot of ideas that came off, guys, like that. And sometimes it's really confusing us, like, oh, what idea should we
Chosen
yeah,
by-
should we choose,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, and because people in campus has a lot of background,
Yeah, different background.
different background, and
Different experience, so it may be confused to understanding each other.
Yeah, sometimes it's so confused. We are so confused to understanding with each other. Sometimes the misunderstanding is really big. So
Yeah.
we doesn't know what to do next. But that is the reality of the freshmen of the campus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We really try to connect with people. We really try to understand other people, and other people will try to understand us. What do you think about the culture shock in your first semester, Shavanda?
Like Titan said before, beside the long way to the campus, the time management was a
Yeah.
new challenge for me
Yeah.
because being a college student is not just attending the class, listening the lecture, or doing an assignment, but we also busy with organization.
Yeah.
Or we must dealing with our lecture that suddenly reschedule our class.
Yes.
And out of nowhere, there must be a like
Extra
extra class, like guest lecture,
Yeah.
and join class, or
Yeah.
even just a random workshop. I
Yeah.
think.
Yeah. Very understandable about the time
Time
management.
management.
Yes.
I think all the freshmen get that difficulty.
Yeah.
Like, when in my first semester, especially on student orientation, I should wake up at 4 a.m. because the student
Yeah.
guys, because the
Morning.
student orientation is, I think, at 6 o'clock, and we should get ready. We should see what kind of things that we should both to the
Yeah.
campus, like that terms, it's very hard for me because I was not live in here, and I should get a lot of things, I should buy a lot of things for the students orientation from I don't know where.
Yeah.
I remember that I go to Stasiun Gubeng just for a bread, guys.
Yeah.
That is really funny when I think right now.
Yeah.
How's about
Because
your study?
because they have a list for
Yeah.
the student orientation, right?
Yeah.
And the list is very
Confusing.
confusing and rare, I think.
Yes, it's
so
rare.
it's hard to
campus
find.
environment, it's
Yeah.
rare.
Yes.
It's the list is rare because we're fighting against.
Against
Yeah.
each
Each
other,
other.
against
It's
each
true.
other,
It's true.
against students. So we should
Okay.
buy the same things in the
Yeah,
same
yeah, yeah.
environment.
Yeah.
We out of stocks, guys.
Yeah.
So we search the things that very far from the campus, like Stasiun Gubeng.
Tunjungan Plaza.
Yeah.
It's far, to be honest.
too
Yeah,
far.
it is really. Oh my god. When I think about that, it's very tiring right now.
Yeah.
But it's still fun though, the
Yeah.
student orientation. especially in Bistro, it's really fun.
It's really fun, guys.
Because we get to know each other completely.
Yeah.
And you know, when the student orientation start, I think that will be difficult in Bistro, but the reality is really easy and fun because there is no seniority in
Yep.
Bistro,
Yeah.
and it's really fun for us and for the seniors. We even sing in the room. Right?
Yeah. We just chill out in the room in the
Yeah.
break
It's
time.
not really strict.
Yeah. And in Bistro we can use makeup,
Makeup.
but not too
Yeah.
bold.
Yeah, just
But-
like fresh makeup.
Yeah.
Fresh makeup.
But we still get use makeup, right?
Yeah.
Different to the other major, maybe.
Yeah,
I don't
other
know, guys.
major had a strict terms for orientation.
Yep.
I think like they cannot wear makeup, or the haircut should be like this, should be like
Yeah.
that. But in Bistro, fortunately, we get the easiest things. I think.
Yeah.
It's really
And
fun.
we should to be like not that strict for the dress code.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. I think talk about dress code. Another culture shock that I had, that is, Bistro student is really really unique, especially our seniors.
Yeah.
Very fashionable, and I think like, oh my god, it's so glad, I am so glad that I joined Bistro and I can express myself through it, you know, like our clothes, our hair even, and that is
Yeah.
really fun.
And they support us too.
Yes, the lecturers and the seniors, they are supporting us for
Yeah.
whatever we are. So yeah, in Bistro we can really be ourselves.
And there are so many kind of fashion in Bistro,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
our friends like Deborah and Manda.
Mandalika,
Yeah,
yeah.
they're so girly, like
Yeah,
so
very-
feminine.
Like we can call them a pinky girls.
Yes, a pinky girl.
Yeah.
And there is also like, you know, the trend right now, it's Kenna.
Yeah.
Our
Culture.
Yeah. Our major had peoples that really really scanna, guys. It is make our class colorful.
Yeah.
Talk about class, I think at high school, I think the class in college will be very intense, you know.
Yeah.
I think the class will be very stressful or something like that, but
It's not really stressful.
yeah, it's not really
I agree with you.
stressful. What is your experience about classes in Bistro?
In Bistro, I really love them because they are very kind and we can sharing about our makeup
Yeah.
and
We even have the class for that, you know.
Yeah.
We have ethics class in the first semester, and that is really fun. I still remember that the boys bring and buy a lot of makeup products, and they didn't even know what to do with it, you know.
yeah.
Like Olivian, they Olivian
He
he
brought,
brought a lot of
so many things.
yeah, so many
to make up.
things. He bought a foundation.
And
And-
Concealer.
Yeah, concealer. I still remember about that, and it's very funny. You know, all the boys in our class have different shades.
Yeah.
Yeah, about the makeup class, it's really confusing for us boys that we don't know anything about the makeup. So we are using every
Step on.
Everything that on the table.
yeah, we need help from the girls,
Yeah.
and it's really confusing to us.
Yeah. I still remember some of the boys look like a clown.
Yeah, totally.
Because their face and their necks is really in different
Different.
shades,
Different, yeah.
right? And that is the funniest things I remember about it.
Because makeup is not for just
Girl.
a girl. Boy can use it
Yeah.
for any purpose.
Yeah, we also had a table manner.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Yeah,
Very
it is
fun.
really fun, and it is really yummy, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's really
We get
delicious.
a free course for that, the table manner, and I am very glad because now I can use my table manner.
Okay. It feel like fancy dinner.
Yes, it feels like fancy dinner even though it's a class.
Yup.
And then we also learned about hospitality.
Yeah. And Naftali and
Oh
I
yeah, yeah.
try.
And I remember that we were going to be a bartender
Yeah.
with when one of our friend Tio.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
And
really
Alibo.
fun to
Yeah,
make a
yeah.
drink.
I really want to try the taste of the mocktail, but yeah, I cannot get it, guys. What is taste like? Do you guys taste it?
I remember that it kind of sour.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's like
It's really sour.
refreshing
Yeah. It's
drink.
refreshing drink.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's sour, a bit bitter,
Yeah, yeah. Because
a bit sweet. It's like complicated taste like
it's a
that,
mix of flavor.
but it's really tasty, guys.
Okay, talk about food. What do you think about food in our campus, guys? And what your food shock in the campus?
My food shock is in the canteen.
Yeah.
The food, common food is chicken katsu.
Yeah, yeah.
There is a lot of it.
Yes,
So
there's a lot of
I
tonkatsu.
confused choose the shop.
Yeah,
Where's
a
the
lot of
yummies
shop.
like
yeah,
that,
yeah. I remember that in the first semester we tried all of the, all of the stand of the
Yeah, yeah.
food, and we tried to, this is delicious, this is the most delicious, and then, bam, there's a lot of things that really, really delicious. For us, for me and Naftali, because we are from,
West Java.
yeah, because we are from West Java. I think there's a lot of food shock and price shock because in-
everything food in Surabaya is really cheap.
yeah, it's really nice. It's on the nice price.
Yeah.
In West Java, some food, even for ayam geprek, we had it for 21K, but in here we cannot get for 12K, and
Yeah.
that is, oh my god, that is really amazing. When we are first came to Surabaya, we shocked about the price, and I even talked to it to my mom, like, Mom, we should go to here. In here, the food is really, really cheap.
Yeah, there's cheap and yummy.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Cheap and delicious.
What about
Cheap
you,
combinations.
Naftali? Do you get a lot of panic buying in here because of the prices?
I'm not really a panic buyer person. That when I came here, when I came to Surabaya, I just get what is the essential things in my room. Yeah. First semester, I don't really have a friend, that many friends, so I ended up just sleeping in the boarding house for a week.
Oh,
Damn, for a week.
that's really sad.
so introvert.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so introverted. I'm glad that I've never felt that, because in my boarding house it's only girl boarding house, and they're very club,
Oh, yeah.
like if the one gonna buy this thing, all the people like, do you want to buy this thing, and we are gonna buy it together. And if some people are sick, they're gonna take care of them, and I am very glad. So I think all people that want to go to boarding house when they go to the college, I think that should really search about the people in the boarding house, because if you get the person that nice, you will get a better environment in your boarding house. That is really nice.
How about your boarding house?
Yeah, my boarding house is in the first semester. I don't really connect that much with my friends in boarding house, but in the second semester, I get really close with them, and sometimes we get to west of Surabaya.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
very far.
We're going to Pakuan Mall and something like that just to go to refresh our mind at 3 a.m.
Oh, NR, night rides.
Yeah. Night ride.
Oh, be careful of the catch a cold, guys.
Yeah.
Especially in this weather, right?
Yeah.
Right now it's really, really rainy seasons, and I think our freshmen will get shocked about it, because Surabaya is never got a rain
Yeah.
if it's not a rainy season. But if it's rainy season, like, you cannot predict how, like, when is the rain gonna drop, and
Yeah.
it's really like Titan said, it's really ruin our mood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had when raining, pouring, and thunderstorm
Yeah.
everywhere. When I drove my motorcycle, it's very scared, guys, because yeah, your mind is traveling.
Yeah. How about you, Shavanda? You live far away from the campus too. Do you ever felt like you get in a traffic jam or even suddenly raining in the middle of your road?
Maybe for me, I almost every day go to campus like 1 hour before the class and just stay at my friend's boarding house
Mm.
because I really hate the traffic
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
Traffic
bad
is
in
really-
Surabaya. Maybe I just um, go early because I don't want to be in the traffic.
yeah, I understand. Even though we live near the campus, we should really ready before like 20 or 15
Fully
minutes
prepared.
before the class. Yes. And for the freshmen, sometimes the class will be extend or
Yeah.
it will be literally gone and you will have extra class next day or even next week. You really
Yeah.
doesn't know like will when the class will attend, when the class will start.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think for freshmen, in my expectation, uh, I do have the same expectation with Titan. Like I am scared of the people. I am scared people will judge me in the college. You know,
Yeah.
something like that. And I think when I entered the campus, that's expectation really gone because I think campus is really nice for me.
Yeah,
What do you guys think about it?
I think college life is very fun if we are wise to make a decision.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Yes, yes, that's real.
And we wise chosen friends.
Yes, you should be wise choosing your friends because it will, it will like really, um,
Impactful in
yeah,
your
really
life.
impactful for your campus life, for your range,
Yeah.
for your just daily life. It's really impactful. So you must be glad if you have a really nice friends in college, and I am glad that I am of these first students because they are really nice and we connected so fast.
Yeah, and we keep maintenance a good things.
Yes.
If there is a bad thing, we just talk about it,
Yeah.
not in burdening back like that.
Yes, there is a campus thing. I think you should really open-minded in campus because you meet a lot of new characteristic
Yeah.
and you meet a lot of new culture because the people is not always in the environment. So yeah, I think the things in campus is that you should be really open-minded with each other.
Yeah.
What is your tip about campus life, Panda? What is your tip for
Ah,
campus?
For me, the important things for student college is time management.
Yeah.
Yes.
I
Back to
agree
time
with
management
that.
again. Because college year is very important for me because beside we can study,
Yeah.
we also can build a connection with
We
so
can
many
build a
people.
connection with so many people in campus. What's tip
Uh,
from you, Naftali, for a lot of freshmen here?
So one tip when I was a freshman that really helped me in campus life is when you need help, just ask for it. And
Yeah.
asking for help is not a weakness. It's
Yes.
make it's actually save times and keep your mind sane.
Yes, that's real, guys. If you need a help, you really should talk to your friends.
Yeah.
Not just burden it in yourself. You should really talk so that your campus life will be sane and then will be so fun. What's tip from you, Titan?
My tips is if you in the burden or overwhelmed, just eat your favorite food or try a new food because it can boost your mood.
Yes.
And
Yeah, it's-
mood is really important for
College life.
for college life. Like you wanna do your homework, your task. If your mood is bad, you can do it, guys.
Yes, that's real. That is really impactful.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And-
in campus life, we really need for a mood buster.
Yeah.
Yeah, whether it's food, it's a friends, or even a couple.
Yeah.
A couple.
Yeah, and you will. Oh my God, there's so much experience that I get from the freshman year. Even I get a boyfriend in there, and
Oh my
that is
God.
really fun. So don't be scared about the freshman guys. And here's the tip from me: as the last thing that we said, we should really prepare for our time management, right? I think that is the hardest thing for the freshmen, because you should really adapt with the time, with your schedule, with your task, and then you should really careful for choosing a friends, right? And then we really should open ourselves up to other people, and don't be scared of whatever you want or whatever you want to try. And then I think the most important thing that be open minded.
Minded.
Yeah, because that is what we really need in campus life. We should be really open minded and so understanding with other people, so that
Yeah.
other people will understand us. Yes. So that is from us as the today's topic, the freshman reality check. If you're scared of being freshman, trust me that it is not scared as you think. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it from us. Goodbye. See you at the next podcast.
Bye bye.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.